No, hey. So look, this by itself is a chromosome.
Oh.
This, you're holding an entire chromosome right now.
Okay.
You're looking for the homologous pair.
Okay, so there's a pair right here.
Yeah.
So if I had two, I would put it in 1 to 2, so it'd be group A.
Yep.
Ah!
Because it tells you that the first pair is the longest and has the centromere in the middle. Do you remember what the centromere means?
No, this thingy.
Exactly, yeah. And so those two, do they have the centromere in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'd say that's a solid prediction for number 1.
Oh!
Great job.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
These two match, right?
Yep.
So, is that the first pair?
What do you think?
It says it's the longest and has a centromere in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
That's not in the middle, is it?
What do you think?
I think that's pretty central.
I think I need you to tell me what I
I,
think.
I can never just tell you what to think. If you're unsure, cut them out and put them up next to each other. Then you can tell which one's longer or where the centromeres are.
Right here.
Those are great guesses, though.
So I mean that's right. I need validation.
Hey, just try it. Cut it out and try it. Put them next to each other. We'll get there. What's your question, Lucas?
Right here and right here would be the same.
Which that one and that one? I think those look pretty similar.
I think
Cut them out and put them next to each other and make sure.
These two?
Yes, those look great. Mm-hmm.
Can I just cut around them, or do I need to like?
So in theory, this karyotype is healthy, right? They all have pairs, right? And they match because they're homologous pairs, yes? But like this is a male, right? So a male has an X and a Y. That's a pair, but they don't match. But that's the only pair that would not match, right?
Only seeing 2 of them.
Yeah. So here's the thing. So you're looking for homologous pairs, right?
Right.
So, sorry, I'm going to have to ask you the questions. How many chromosomes are in a person, a singular cell? How many chromosomes total? 23 pairs, right?
Yeah.
Right now you're sorting out the pairs.
Okay.
So these are the same. So they're going to be a pair. These two together represent pair number 1. Because you don't have 46 blanks, right? You have 22 and then the sex chromosomes.
So 2 of these things go under one. All right.
You just kind of got to smoosh them together.
Wait, so all 3 of these go on the same?
So those 3 are different sizes, right? So you have to find those matches. Each chromosome will have a match within this. Yeah. Is that
Yes.
tracking?
Can I get the paper we did yesterday?
Yes. It was a review sheet, and I had everyone answer questions, and then you had to grade your peer. I'm not going to make you grade your peer, but I'll give you the sheet so you can know what we covered.
Okay. Also,
I don't know exactly. It's probably going to be sometime next week.
okay, can
I'm-
tomorrow?
No. I'm hoping to tell you when it is tomorrow, because I don't want to be like, hey, you're having a test the next day. I think that's kind of rude. So, you should know something by tomorrow. Caden, how we feeling? Yeah? This looks pretty good. How'd you get these? Classic. Yeah. So these look good. I would reference this, right? So group A, it says consists of 6 chromosomes, which is 3 pairs. So group A is talking about A, and this part tells you that A is 1 to 3.
You need to write.
So 1 to 3.
Number 5.
So this group is going to look somewhat similar because they're grouped together. And then it tells you the first pair is the longest, and it has a centromere in the middle. Lillian, do you remember what the centromere is? Yeah, it's where it connects. Great. See, you didn't even need the review yesterday. So the centromere is where they connect in the middle. So it's telling you the centromere is in the middle. So these, I think these look pretty good. I'll flip that one this way. But this one looks pretty long, and then it has the centromere in the middle. So I'd say that's a pretty good guess for number 1 for now.
Does it matter what part's the top and what part's the bottom?
Not really, just have the pairs match each other, you know what I mean?
How do I know which one is in the third one?
Yeah, so let's see. Keep going, it says number 2, second longest, number 3 is the third longest. So that tells me their heights are going to be slightly different, but it's going to get a little bit smaller. If you look at those examples, you see how it kind of slants down, like they're getting progressively smaller as it goes down the sheet. That's going to be a pattern. So if I were you, I wouldn't glue anything down until you like know where they go. That way you can just kind of move it around like a puzzle.
There's one. I messed up.
Do we feel better? Yeah.
I can't cut with you. It hurts.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Hey, some people, you saw the ones that Lucas had at first.
Yeah, that's true.
Could have been worse. Yeah, one sec. Audrey, this is the thing we did yesterday. These are just the questions just so you know what they are.
Okay.
Yeah. Over here. What's up?
Does that look good on the first one?
I think so.
And then these two for the second one?
Why do you think those should go second?
Because they're about the same size and they're slightly off-centered.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good. Yeah? 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 Silence. You're in the zone.
No, I'm not. I suck at
I'll
pen.
take help you out a bit. Thanks. Yeah. Hold on, Kaden goes away.
Okay, I need help finding this other pair that's
Okay.
identical with the centromere in the middle.
Okay, so you're looking for pair 3, right?
Yes.
And what does it say about pair 3?
It's long and has a centromere in the middle.
Okay, so it's the third longest with the centromere in the middle.
Yeah.
So if you know this one's, that big.
It's gonna be a little shorter than that.
Mm-hmm. Do you see one's a little bit shorter? Or
That's too short.
that is too short, I would agree.
Okay.
But also let's think, is it possible? So number 3 says the centromere is in the middle. Yeah? This has a centromere in the middle.
Oh, the second one is slightly. Oh my.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought
So
they
maybe-
all had it in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta read very carefully. There's a lot of analyzing in this sheet of paper.
Okay, let me just read it.
You doing okay, Ty?
What's the chances we
My fingers, do you have any bigger scissors?
First of all, Ty, you are blessed to have those scissors. You wanna go look at that table over there? You know how big their scissors are?
I also have fat fingers.
I didn't ask. What? Do you have scissors? Oh my god.
Cameron almost made me use those.
See? He's fine. Does anybody have extra scissors at their basket?
Yay, I get a pair.
No, I think Ty wants these. No, no, it's fine.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah. But do we feel good? Do you feel like we're on a good track?
Is this homework?
A lot of students from last class finished.
Is this
I don't
homework?
see that happening.
I think you could.
I
I don't think you could.
Which one looks
I think
bigger?
you could. Careful, you have scissors in your hand. You almost shanked me. No, but
I just
you
had
can potentially.
This be homework?
Potentially.
Potentially.
Well, also, I think it depends on how you approach it. Like, ideally, the most efficient way, I'd read this and go, Group A consists of yada yada. Ooh, which one do I think goes in Group A? And then cuts it out, and then go from there.
But like, what if like,
Function.
I mean,
What?
is Group A by size? I don't know. I'm just kind of cutting.
Yes.
What does the paper say?
I didn't read it.
You gotta read it.
It's too complicated.
Well,
I told you what.
And some
you have to analyze the paper while you analyze the chromosomes. You're learning about chromosomes.
What?
And some of these have like colors that are like all
I
messed up.
think the little like those little white circles in the black sections are like printer errors. So go more so by the stripe thickness. You know what I mean?
It's like,
Okay, let's do this. What is the centromere?
what's the
Center.
centromere?
The center,
Where they intersect.
where they intersect.
What's it mean whenever it's like a little dashed area?
Oh, like the
Yeah.
stripes in the chromosome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we keep talking about pairs of chromosomes, right?
Yes.
And we say if they're a pair, what do we know about them?
No, wait.
They go together
They go together. Why do they go together?
because they match.
They match. Why do they match?
Because they're the same
They're the same what?
DNA structure.
They have the same genes. So each of those stripes represents those same genes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Science.
So like real geneticists, if they had a DNA sample, they would like dye the chromosomes to make certain genes stand out because certain genes will stain darker than others.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And so that's kind of why we have these stripy things, because that's what in theory would happen.
Science.
Science. The more you know, for sure.
The more you know.
Yeah. Welcome to my podcast. Are we having so much fun?
No,
If Kanan was here, would you be having fun?
no.
Ooh.
Cutting this one.
Hey, I think you're doing a good job. Oh, don't lose this one.
And I'm confused.
Oh no. Thanks.
You're
I
welcome.
understand how to get the A group, I don't understand how to get any other ones.
You're doing a good job, Landon. Okay, which one?
4.
4, okay.
Group B has the 4 long chromosomes with the centromeres very close to one end.
Okay.
But there's that,
There's a lot.
Okay. If I were you, if you suspect any of them could be a part of the group, just go ahead and cut it